In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Apple Airtag. Now you probably have seen many of these unboxings, so I'm going to make this one quick, clear, and of course satisfying. Right off the bat, we can see that the packaging is much different to the packaging of other Apple products, as the lid doesn't slide off, and you have to pull the things out of the box. Right out of the box, we can see that the AirTag is packaged in what I presume is the paperwork. And once we open it up, we can see that the AirTag is presented in a brochure-styled manner, with the paperwork on the sides of it, which almost causes you to read it. As you can see, I'm struggling with retrieving the AirTag out of the packaging. And there was probably a much simpler way of doing it, but Apple should have made that more clear. And here we have the AirTag itself. And once we remove the dust protector, we can hear the AirTag make a little sound effect. This means that the battery is activated, so I won't have to worry replacing a battery anytime soon. And up close, we can see that the AirTag consists of glass and plastic, and in my opinion that doesn't really look nice, but it does get the job done. Once I put up my phone against the AirTag, the icon instantly pops up, since it has a very strong Bluetooth connection. You then add a name to the AirTag, which will then take you to confirming your Apple ID. And once you confirm that, your AirTag is pretty much set up. It will then give you location information, which will then take you to the Find My app. And from there, you can see the AirTag is clearly shown on the map. So that's everything. So thanks for watching, and see you later.